Hello, 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 hello. What do you do, guys? How are you? Manda here from Billionaire Mindset, also Forex Secret. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know for sure it's going to be helping you a lot. I'm about to unpack important information that I think needs to be shown to most people, those who are trading already and those who want to learn how to trade. It's important that we as mentors, and me as a mentor myself, to as many people, countless people that I've taught in this game, I need also to come back and plow and show you what is needed for you to be able to succeed in this game, to succeed in this business so that you can take a business higher. Because one thing that you want to do, you want to treat this business as such. It's a business, okay? Forex is not a means or a way of getting rich quickly. It's a business. So you need to take it as such. So once you've mastered the basics, you need more coaching, you need more lessons so that you can profit from this market. It's very easy to do it. It's very easy to make money from it once you know the secrets on how to make money from it. So this web class is for everybody. And then if you want to join the web class, it's gonna be given, information is gonna be given later on this video. So keep on watching. I'll share with you how to join the web class. So now we're gonna start. And then remember, take a pen, take a paper, because this is gonna be a video uploaded on many platforms. Make sure that you rewind on it and take notes and learn new things. Okay? So let us begin. So what I'm going to be talking about in this web class, I'm going to be showing you what is Forex for those that don't know anything. Obviously, for those who are trading already, it's going to be nothing new. Basically, it's just an introduction. Then it's the secret, the most important thing. This is why I'm doing this web class. I want you to know how to profit from it. A lot of people are losing money in Forex, and that is not supposed to be. You can make money on Forex, all right? So I'll show you the secret to Forex, all right? One thing that you need to know, that you need to master also in order to do Forex. What is the secret? Then from there, after you know the secret, all right, how do you then profit, all right? But remember, the secret that I'm going to be exposing to you is not just the secret, okay? It's the fundamental principle that you need to understand. But there are more things that you need to learn. That is what the web classes are for. You join the web class, you subscribe to them, you give you more information on them. All right, you become part of the team. All right. So how to profit from forex? We're gonna go deeper onto that, and the psychology of trading. What is the most important thing, if I'm to say, that makes a lot of people to lose is psychology. You need to understand that. You need to understand that, my friend. Psychology plays a big part on your life, on your trading. Okay, if you don't master psychology, you won't have success. Emotions, two types of emotions that are killing you a lot when it comes to this business. I'll show you, I'll go deep onto it and show you how do you master it. Hence, I want everybody to join this web class. Join it wherever you are. Start learning this. You get taught how to master this. It's impossible for you to not to make money when you have joined us in this company. All right. And then from there, we'll show you how to join the web class and be part of Billionaire Consulting and Billionaire Mindset. All right. So what is Forex? Simply saying, Forex is buying and selling money. All right. Simply said, Forex is buying and selling money. For example, if you was to buy uh, 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 a watch, okay? If you buy a watch, you keep that watch for 2 years, okay? It's a Rolex watch. And then somebody comes to you and say, I've been looking for this watch for 6 years now, I can't find it anywhere. And you sell it at a higher price compared to what you bought it for. That is Forex. You are buying something low and then selling it for a higher price. That is Forex. Okay, so basically simply buying and selling money by looking at different economies, looking at the value of their currencies, and then gouging which one will go down, which one will go up against the other. So we look at different economies, gouge their fundamentals, Basically, if we know what is going on fundamentally with those countries, we can be able to know, will their economy appreciate in value? Will it go up? Will it go down? And then seeing those factors, that's when we want to take the trade. We can buy and sell into the market. We can make money when the market goes up and when the market goes down. So those that you're seeing, the US dollar, euro dollar, US dollar, the euro, the pound, the Swiss franc, those are what we call the major currencies, okay, that are mostly traded in the foreign exchange market. The forex market is a big market, okay. The daily revenue, the amount of money that goes through forex each and every day is not less than $5.3 trillion, and it's going up because people are joining every day. So it means the amount of money and the value of this market is going to be going higher every day. Okay. So that is what, in a nutshell, that is what forex is. It's simply buying and selling money. We'll go deeper onto studying more things on what forex is and other things in the web class on following sessions. Let me show you now. What is the secret? What is the secret? You need to understand this. You take something down and write it. If you can, save this video somewhere, okay, and keep it. You need to understand forex is a pool. Imagine it as a pool of money. Imagine forex as a pool of money. So if forex is a pool of money, all right, there are people that are dipping their hands onto that pool of money, and there are only two people that are dipping their hands on that pool of money. It is the retail traders against the bank traders. So basically what we are doing, we are just trying to speculate where the market is going to be going next. So once we see that we have an opportunity, that's when we look to buy. Okay, so we are trading against the big guys that are trading for banks. Okay, so and then one thing that is very, very depressing, and I want you to know, because you want to venture onto this market and you want to make money on it, you need to understand that most people that are coming onto the market who are still new are losing money on forex. Most people are losing money on forex. Okay, so if most people are losing money, especially retail traders are losing money in forex, you need to understand the reason why are they losing. Okay, out of the 100% of the forex exchange market, 90% of people who lose are retail traders, basically you. Okay, and the 5% of the forex of the market who makes money is the bank traders. Okay, because another thing that you need to understand, bankers are literally taking the opposite of your trade. So basically when you are buying, he's taking the counter opposite. He's selling against you. So if you sell the market, he's the one that is trading against you. So basically it's always a tug of war between you and the banker. When you are buying, he's going to be selling. It means it's always opposite to each other. There is no way that the banker can be buying and you are buying. It's impossible for the banker where you are selling, he also is selling. It needs to take the opposite of your trade. Hence liquidity. He needs to be there to take the opposite of your trade. Basically, when you win a trade, he is making money. Okay? When you win a trade, he is making money. And when you lose a trade, for example, when you win, he is losing the money in his trading account. Are you seeing it? So it's always opposite to each other. There's no way that the two parties can make money together. One has to be making money and one has to be losing. All right? But we know in facts, in stats, that 95% of retail traders are losing. Okay? That is what we know. We know that 95% of retail traders are losing money when it comes to forex. Now you need to know why are they losing money. You need to understand that principle, right, and that truth, that 95% of retail traders are losing money. You need to understand why are they losing money. All right, we're gonna go deeper on it on the next slide. Make sure that you're writing down. All right, I hope you are enjoying this session so far. So let us study something. All right, so we know that 95% of retail traders, basically you and me and my partner, we are losing money. Okay, people that are venturing onto the market who are still new, right? The retail side are losing money. You need to understand why are they losing money? What is making them to lose? Number two, the bank traders. We know that they are making money So we need to understand also, how are they making money? What is making them to lose money? What are their objectives when they approach the market? If you understand two things, why retail traders are losing and what is the objective of a trader when he enters the market, then you will be able to make money any time of the when the market is opened. Let us start first with the retail trader. Okay, point number one, understanding why retail traders are losing. Point number one, retail traders majority of them are using the same method to trade. Hence, it's easy for the banker to trade against them, because remember, it's a what? It's a tug of war between these two parties. When a bank trader buys, the retail trader is selling. So it means majority of retail traders are using the same concepts and the same information and the same trading systems. So it means most of them buy at the same time. Okay? Most of them are buying at the same time. So it means it's easy for the banker to come and take the counter opposite of the trade. Hence, shift the market opposite those retail traders. Because whoever has more money transferred into the market will then win price direction. Are you following me? And we understand that because these guys are trading the same systems, majority of them, okay, most of them end up losing money altogether. Point number two, what is making them to lose is two things. They lose a trade when it moves against them on margin, where the trade is closed on margin. Because with some brokers, if a trade goes on 30% drawdown, the trade will be closed. So they are losing on margin. Number two, they are losing when their stop loss are triggered. Those are the two facts that we know that makes people to lose money. A trade is closed on margin if the trade is losing more than 30% with some brokers, and if the stop loss is triggered. Point number three, most of the retail traders are using the same system also to place stop losses. Remember what I said carefully. Bankers and retail traders trade opposite to each other. Retail traders lose when their stop loss are triggered by the bankers. Majority of the retail traders are using the same concepts to place stop losses. Basically, where they are told that they must place a stop loss of so much pips on swing highs and swing lows. Did you understand that? I hope you did. Now let's come to the objective of a trader now, because we understand now what is making the retail trader to lose. Let's understand what is the objective of a banker. Number one, the objective of a banker is to make money for their investors. Meaning, they trade against retail traders, right? The objective is to make money. Remember, when a banker buys, a retail trader must be selling. They are taking the opposite of each other's trades. So it means bank traders, their main objective is to trade against you. Okay? Second point, they trade with systems that against retail traders, we already covered that. Now, bankers, they make retail traders, all right? They make retail traders to lose money, all right? Altogether, they make retail traders to lose money, meaning they trade against them. Okay, I repeated that point twice. It's fine. Let us continue. Number four, okay, most important fact. They target stop losses and pending orders of retail traders which are placed on swing highs and swing lows. We understood that retail traders are losing because of what? Trades that are on margin. Okay? Trades that are on what? Margin call, if you want to call it that. And they lose money when their stop loss are triggered. We understand now, bank traders, their main objective is to go against your stop loss, your pending order. Trigger it, because you say, I'm looking for a breakout. Once it breaks out, I'm buying. So when you buy, he takes the opposite. He goes towards the swing high or swing low and targets the stop loss placed on that swing high or swing low. Once that stop loss is triggered, the money is gone. Once that account goes to margin call, their money is gone. So do you see that the objective of a banker is to actually move against what you are doing, move against your trade? Are you seeing it? That is one thing that you need to understand. All right? You need to understand it and drill it into your mind that coming onto forex, don't just use systems used by the majority of people. Most people are using technicals. Most people are using fundamentals. Most people are using sentiments, whatever you want to use. Okay? There's nothing new under the sun that we don't know it. You cannot say, no, I'm using harmonics, I'll make money. We are talking about you having a system which you use, where you make money for 6 years, 7 years, trading the same account. Not trade the same account for 6 months, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and then you say, I'm a good trader. We're talking about consistency here. We're talking about business. Understand me? Okay? So it's important that you understand that, and then that you're willing to apply that onto your trading. It's important, it's important, it's important, it's important, it's important. All right? So let us continue to the next slide. Okay? So that is what we're going to be covering. We're going to be going into deep detail in these web classes, where we're going to be showing you how to identify in precision, where you should be placing your trades, where you should be entering your trade, where you should be targeting like a banker. Now the question that you should be asking now is, how do I become profitable? That is where we go to the next slide. How to profit from the market. The only way to profit from the market is to trade using the system used by banks. Is to trade using a system that is used by banks. Because you understand that majority of banks, bank traders, interbank traders are making billions in dollars. Right? So you don't want to trade using harmonics, using Ichimokus. Right? I'm not saying those things you won't be profitable for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. I'm talking about trading the same account for 6 years and having consistency on them. Okay? And I'm not saying you won't have trades going on profits with those ones. I'm talking about consistency, where you know that your trade will run to profits. That is what I'm talking about. Okay? So the only way to profit from the market is to trade using systems used by banks. Number 2, the primary objective should be, when you are trading, your primary objective, where you should think, first of all, where do you think retail traders are placing their stop loss on the pair that you want to trade? That should be an objective for you. Where do you think retail traders, your partner, your friend who's trading, where do you think is going to be placing the retail trade the stop loss? Because the bank will be targeting to go towards that stop loss. That is the first thing that you do. Right? That is the first thing that you need to think about. Once you master that, my friend, you will start to have money flowing into your account. Are you seeing it? You need to start to think, where are retail traders placing their stop loss? That is what these web classes are for, is to teach you how to identify those levels, how to identify those regions, those critical levels, where you know that this level has a number of stop loss orders, where I know that bankers will be targeting. These guys, they don't just move the market. Did you see the gapping that happened yesterday? It was not by chance. They knew what they were doing. Are you understanding me? All right? So we're going to go deeper on this, on the web classes that you can subscribe to. So let us continue and do this, okay? Important stuff. Write it down. Take notes, okay? Or download this video from any platform that we're going to be sharing it from, all right? We need to preach this message to everybody. Don't just come to the market without understanding first what you're doing. Is it making sense, everybody? I hope you are following me. Let us come now to psychology. Because you understand, in the market, there are 4 things that are important. Number 1 is the system. Number 2 is the risk management. Number 3 is targeting. Number 4 is psychology. Let me show you something. Your mind determines how far you go in this business. Your mind determines how far you go in this business. A lot of people lose money in the market because of their emotions. okay? Because they don't know how to control their emotions, all right? I struggled with it for a very long time up until I found the secret on mastering emotions and being able to bring down emotions in my trading, because it's impossible for you to eliminate them, but you can be able to bring them down. And how do you bring them down? You develop a concept of mindfulness, okay? When you are mindful, what am I talking about? Thought triggers. Mindfulness is what we call thought triggers, all right? When you trigger thoughts that are against emotion brewing thoughts. Are you understanding me? Now let me go deeper. All right? In you. Remember, you are three. You are body, your soul, your spirit. Okay? You are three. It's you, the body, you, the soul, and you, the spirit. All right? So let us talk about the soul first, because that's where all decisions are made. Right? That's who you control. Okay? The war is in the soul, right? The war is in the soul. It's not in the body. The war is in the soul, basically in the mind. You win the battle in your mind, in your soul, then you will be able to win the battle in the body and the battle in the spirit. Now let me show you. You are your soul. Inside your soul, there are three factors. There are three departments. Is your mind, your emotions, and your intellect inside you as a soul. Okay? And let me show you something. Your mind controls your emotions. Your mind also controls your intellect, not the other way around. You control your emotions and you control your intellect, but one thing that you need to be careful of, okay? Your emotions should never control your mind, and your intellect should never control your mind. You control your emotions and your intellect. So if you look at something here, when it comes to thoughts, you yourself, you don't have thoughts. Okay? You yourself, you don't have thoughts. What happens that a person has channels, two channels, the good and the bad, that are bringing thoughts in your mind. You know what I'm talking about there. There's no need for me to go deeper. There are two channels that are bringing thoughts to you. You yourself, you don't have thoughts. What am I talking about? How many times have you thought of killing somebody? Was that you who was thinking it? No. A thought came into your mind. You had a thought. Are you seeing? A thought came into your mind. You thought of it. Are you seeing it? One thing that I have a hand, I have a nose, I have a mouth, I have an ear. I have also a brain inside me, inside this mind. I have a brain. One thing that I'm not able to do, I'm not able to change this brain inside me and give it to somebody else. It's mine. Okay? So it means if I have it inside me, it's mine. But if it's not inside me and I'm able to change it, it's not mine. One thing that you can be able to do, you can be able to change thoughts. You can think of something else. It means it's not yours. It was put inside. You can ponder on it. You can accept it or you can deny it. Are you seeing it? So when you are approaching the market, thoughts are placed in your mind. For example, if I say, think of a woman wearing a red dress, walking. Think about it. Think of a woman wearing a red dress, walking. Most of you are thinking of a woman wearing a red dress, and the woman is walking. Was that your thought? No. I placed the thought inside your mind. Are you seeing it? I placed it inside your mind. It means it was not your thought. Are you following me? It was not you. You yourself, you don't have thoughts. But you can be able to gather thoughts from outside, from many things, from readings, from the Bible, from this and this and this, and then you ponder on them, you think. The more you think about it, the more it will become an attribute of your persona, of your mind, of your intellect, and your emotions. Now let me show you something. When a thought comes into a trader's mind, or anybody, Once they start to think about it, at that moment they start to have an emotion attached to it. So if you start to think in fear, you will start to have an emotional fear brewing inside you. Let me show you something else. Most of you, when you go to wherever you come from at home, in the rural places, they will tell you that there's this place, you don't go to it. There's a lot of bad things there, like ghosts and whatever. Most people, when they pass that place, because of the thoughts, they start to develop fear and emotion. Are you seeing it? But check, that thought was not inside their mind, it came. It means it's not their thought. Are you following me? So it means that emotion was brewed because of a thought. Okay? Most people are losing in the market because they start to think and say, what if I lose? Then fear comes in and builds up. Okay? So once that fear builds up, it makes them to take uninformed trades, undecided trades, and then they take just rational trades, making them to lose a lot of money. Are you following me? So it's important that you know and you understand and become mindful of your thoughts. When they come, direct them to where you want. Are you saying it? Direct them to where you want. That's why you want to master mindfulness. We're gonna go deeper on mindfulness in the web class. Are you following me? We're gonna go deeper in this. You need to understand it. That a person, who they are, is because of who they think they are. The more you think that you are great, the more you will become great. The more you think that you are good at trading forex, the more you become good on it. It's all about the mindset. Are you following me? So you start to think about it. The more you think about it, the more it will become an attribute. The more it will become a behavior. The more you can do it, the more you will achieve it. All right? So that is what you need to be careful of. Thoughts come into your mind. You don't have thoughts as a person. What you do, you gather information around things that you can take to this and take to that. The more you ponder it, the more it will become an attribute. Do you know that in a day you can think more than 1 million thoughts? Are you seeing it? And those thoughts came into your mind as a result of what you see, what you smelled, what you tasted, what you touched, and what you hear, which are centers of your body. Are you seeing it? Are you following me? So you need to be mindful of your thoughts. The reason why you are losing in forex is because of your thoughts. Your thoughts, your mind. Start to work on your mind. Don't just think anything. Channel your mind to where you want to go, and you will achieve those things that you want to achieve. Are you following me? It's important. It's important. Right? So let us continue to the next slide. We're going to go deeper onto mindfulness in the web class. So join the web class. So how do you join the web class? So this is a short video that I wanted to make for you. The web class runs for a month. All right? The web class is only 850 rands. Okay? So you will receive these lessons every day for 5 days in a week, Monday to Friday. Are you seeing it? 5 lessons in a week for the whole month. That will be going deeper in teaching you the 4 most important pillars of forex. The 4 most important pillars of forex: system, risk management, targeting, and psychology. Right? So you master those 4 things. Right? You will be able to master the whole forex, and you will see that making money in forex is not a chance. It's not just luck. You can deliberately make it, because these guys are not using anything new. They are hunting your stops, hunting your money, and taking you out. So you can learn this wherever you are. The only thing that you do, on the email that you're seeing there, send an email saying you want to join the web class, admin@billionaireconsortium.com or manda@billionaireconsortium.com. Should those platforms be not what you can you want to use, send us a WhatsApp message, okay? Or send us a call. or you can call us on the same number there that you're seeing on the WhatsApp. All right. So we want you to know this. We want you to master this. It's possible. Forex is easy. Come and meet with me. My office is in 82 Modi Street in Santon. Come and meet with me during the week. I'm always available. Come and I'll show you these things. They are easy. It's easy. Okay? It's easy. We have been doing it. I will show you how to do it. Everybody, whether you're trading, whether you have an account you are not able to grow it, whether you just want mentorship, whether you just want to see me because you were always wanting to see me, come. I'll show you this. It's simple. Okay? It's easy. It's simple. You can do it also. You can make money in Forex. And one thing that you understand, once you master Forex, you have mastered money, my friend. You master Forex, you have mastered money. Come and learn. I'll see you soon and join the web class. See you soon. Bye-bye.